Basque Country. Since I was 7 years old, I've been related to the world of dance and music, starting dancing Euskal Dantza, and at 9 I started playing trick-disha, bass diatonic accordion, combining both facets. Until at 16 I decided definitely on dancing till I was 25 years old. A long break, and after confinement due to COVID-19, in September of 2022, at the age of 36, the music bug beat me again, and I started learning and playing drums at the Drumgory Musica Escola to disconnect from daily stress and returning to the roots, pure and hard rhythm. It's been a constant learning process, and I'm getting more hooked every day. We will see what the future holds, but it's never too late to learn music. I currently play with 5 beer due to a surgical operation from which I am recovering, and I don't have the mobility as before. Being longer drumsticks, having great bounce and weight distribution made Collision Drumsticks my best allies. I recommend Collision Drumsticks because of mentioned above and the treatment and support from the Collision family, feeling me as an important drummer.
Sniffing bullets, that's the